I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY, and I want to talk to you about the next power tool you're going to buy if you don't already own one of these. This is an oscillating saw or oscillating multi-tool. Now they call it an oscillating multi-tool because like an oscillating fan goes back and forth, so this head goes back and forth, and with the right attachment, with a jagged edge going back and forth, that turns this head into a saw. With the head going back and forth, that turns this head into a detail sander. With the changing out of the heads, you can do an insane amount of things with this tool. Like I said, you can swap out the tool on the head and tighten it back up. Now it becomes a saw. If you've ever removed a hacksaw blade to get into those tight places, that's what this saw does. This is great for doing finish work. Any hard to reach space, this saw blade can get in there. Are you doing flooring and need to trim underneath the door jamb? This is the tool. Are you installing the cabinet and need to cut the baseboard of the crown molding? This is the tool. With the detail sander head that you buy separately, you can turn your oscillating multi-tool into a detail sander. It's just an insane amount of things that you can do. With the grout tool attachment, popping up old ceramic tiles is now possible. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. For more DIY tips and instructions in 2 to 4 minutes, click subscribe. Come on, you know you want to.